Hi everyone. So this video is regarding my experience with Techizone. My name is Diksha and I have completed my masters in economics from Punjab University, and after completing my educational qualification everyone looks for a job, and that's what I did. And after looking for various jobs, I realized there was a point when I realized like education qualification is just not enough to get your desired job. And then I enrolled myself for Excel courses with Techizone, and I completed my training, took my Excel courses from Techizone, and Ishan sir was my mentor. And with his guidance and with his counselings, I gave another interviews, and there was a time when I finally got my desired job as a data analyst in Exceedance Gurgaon, and currently I am like really earning a good package. So I would really recommend everyone that everyone should go for Techizone to boost their digital knowledge. That's it. Thank you.